Hi, good day everyone. So today we're going to be doing June 2017, number 1, paper 2. Let's read the first question. Using a calculator, otherwise can calculate the exact value of. So because they told you to use a calculator, you can just put this in your weekend, open brackets. Now you're looking for A, B, C button on your calculator. This means over. So you're going to put 4 over, which is the ABC button, 1 over 3, subtract 1 over 2 over 3, close bracket, all divided by 4 over 15. Put 12. I meant to put 15. 1, 8, 15. When you put this in the calculator, let's put it, open bracket, 4 over 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 over 5. Close bracket divided by 4 over 15. When you calculate this, you're going to get a flat answer of 11. Right, that is how you would do it in your calculator. However, if you want to do it manually, you can do it like this, where first off, we see a host of mixed numbers. Right, you have 4.5, 1 to 4 3 is 12 plus 1. That's 13 over 3, and then 1 and 2 fifths, 1, 5, 5, 6, 7, that's 7 over 5. So the question is now 13 over 3 minus 7 over 5. Again, remember we always follow odd mass, right? So you'd have to do brackets first, which is this part first, right? We see that the denominators when we're subtracting is different, so you find the LCM. We also notice that the denominators are prime numbers, so if your two denominators are prime numbers, you just multiply them to get your LCM. 5 3s are 15. How many times 3 could go into 15? 5 times. So it's 13. 5 5 is 65. How many 5 could go into 13? 5 could go into 13. 3 times 7 3s are 21. So now we have 65 minus 21, which is 44 over 15. And then after this question becomes 44 over 15 divided by 4 over 15. Right, when you have a division of a fraction, you flip. So instead of 4 over 15, you'll turn to multiply by 15 over 4, 15 into 15, 1, 15 into 15, 1. 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 11 is, sorry, 4 into 44 is 11, so your answer would be 11, and that's why you would do it manually. Right, let's do the next question. This question here, put it directly in your calculator, open bracket 3.1 minus 1.15, close bracket, all squared. To get that squared button, you have an x squared or y to the power of x. If you press the y to the power of x, you would get an upside down v, and then you have to press 2, which is your power, right? Then you're going to divide this by 0.005. This is what you put in your calculator. Open bracket 3.1 minus 1.15, close bracket squared 0.005. Right? Right. If you put this exact same thing in your calculator, you're going to get an answer of 760.50, and that would be your answer to. And this is how you would do this question. Why did I put dollar sign, not dollar sign? Right? Just 760.50. Right? Let's look at the next question. Part B is stop promoting a new mobile phone under two plans, Plan A and Plan B. The plans are advertised in the show below. Deposit 400 or 600, 65 and 80. Number one circulate 12 and 6. All taxes are 0 and 5. Calculate the total cost of Plan E. Okay, first off, let's just find out what plan A is, right? So for plan A, right, this will be your deposit is 400 plus 65 by the number of months you have to pay is 12, right? Close bracket, and then you have to add $0, right? Which is the taxes paid. This is 0%. So it would be 400 plus 780, which is equal to $1,180. And that would be the answer for calculate total cost of plan A. Determine which of the two phones is the better deal. Justify answer. When they ask you to find out what is the best buy, what you have to do is find out how much is for 1 month. Or what you can do is find out how much for 12. So we already know plan A is 1,180. Let's look at plan B. So plan B is equal to a down payment of 600 plus it's 80 multiplied by 6 plus you want 5% of this total thing, which is 5 over 100 multiplied by 600 plus 80 times 6, close bracket, right? So first off, because it said 5% of it taxes 5% of the cost, right? So that is 600 plus 480 plus, you can do this in a calculator, right? Now we know the brackets are 600 plus 480, so that's 600 plus 480 multiplied by 5%. We put this entire thing in a calculator, right? You're gonna get 54. Right? Right, so when you add this all up, the total cost of this plan is going to be 600 plus 480 plus 600 plus 480 plus 54, which is equal to 1,134. Now, if you look at plan A, it is costing $1,180. Obviously, plan B is cheaper, right? So the better deal is plan B, which is smaller in cost compared to plan A. So therefore plan A was, well, let's find the difference, as 1,180 minus 1,134, and you'll see that the difference 1,180 is equals to 46. So you are seeing that plan B is $46 cheaper. That's when you do this question. Right, let's look at the next one. Alright, see, John's mother John's monthly electricity bill based on the number of kilowatts per hour of electricity that he consumes for that month. He is charged $5 per kilowatt per hour. So let's read this one here. 1 kilowatt per hour is equal to $5.10. For the month of March, 2 meter readers are displayed below. We have it started at 3011 and ended at 3307. So let's find out amount of kilowatts used. It would be 3307 minus 3011. That would tell you how much kilowatts it was, right? So 3307 minus 3011. Right, so you know the amount of kilowatts being used is 296. Alright, so therefore, calculate the total amount of money John has to pay for the consumption of month of March. So we know that 1 kilowatt per hour is $5.10. So you know how much is 296 kilowatts per hour would be $5.10 multiplied by 296 multiplied by 5.10, and when you multiply that you're going to get $1,509.60, and that would be the answer for this one. Right, let's look at the last one. This is the last question and then we'll finish. For the next month, April 2016, John pays $2,351.10 for electricity consumption. Determine his meter reading at the end of April 2016. So first off, we need to find out how many kilowatts how many kilowatts did he use. So we know that if, look, they're telling you the $5.10 is equal to 1 kilowatt. Right, so if $5.10 is 1 kilowatt per hour, right, then $1 would be 1 over 5.10. Remember, left hand side, right hand side. Your then line, which is defined for 1, is always your right hand side divided by your left hand side on your if line. And therefore, how much watts would he use if it is $2,351.10? That would be 1 over 5.10 multiplied by 2,351.10. Let's use our calculator to find out this answer. Right, so when you divide this, you're going to get an answer of 461 kilowatts per hour. Right, now at the end of March, his meter was on 3,307. Now if he used 461, his meter would show, right? So it would be, hold on, let me just right. The meter would show 3,307 plus 461, which is 03768. Right, and this is what, let me erase this. Yes, this is the number that it would show at the end of the month of April. Right, okay, and this is the end of May-June 2017 number 1.